I'm gonna record here and gonna test this out and try to do some stuff on my Azure ML. So first things that we should do is go to Azure ML Machine Learning, log in. So log in there. Logging into Machine Learning Studio, and you can see you can create in notebooks, in automated ML, or in designer. Let's create one in designer, and you can see here some pre-built components. Let's try to build one here, a new pipeline, and it will bring me back to my workspace. So got my pipeline created before. Let's try to create one. So go to my data, and let's use the Portugal Bank dataset. Okay, so after that you go to component, you're gonna add your columns or select columns. So you can see here, select columns and dataset. You just drag it here, connect this one, and then we double click this. You gotta go to your edit column, and you go by name and select all the variables that you need. Got the age, job, marital status, education. You got the balance, the housing information, loan. You got the day of the week, month, duration in seconds for the campaign, campaign information, previous days before the campaign, and the P outcome. Okay, let's close this one. Got the columns and data set. We're gonna clean your missing data. Clean your missing data. Let's remove the rows that have missing data. Let's go here. Let's try to go by name, and let me just remove those that doesn't have P outcome. Okay, and to clean that, we're gonna just remove the entire row and close this. Okay, and then let's try to split that data. Split the data. Okay, we'll put it here, and from this clean data set, split the data. I'm gonna use 0.70 here, and random seed, any number you can put there. It's 1, 2, 3, and then from the split data, we'll train the data. Look for the train node. Gonna train the model, but we need a model that we're gonna use for this one. So results data here. We're gonna train a model. We're gonna build a model using logistic regression. So we have the two-class logistic regression for binary. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna connect this back to the untrained model, and then we're gonna select the column which we want to predict. So what we want to predict is the P outcome or the outcome. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see if we selected outcome here. And bring back that outcome over there. Close this back. So I know I have outcome over here. Let's edit this one. Outcome. Let's just use outcome here. Go back to clean missing data, split the data, gonna do class logistic regression, you're gonna train a model, and we're gonna score the model as well. Score the model over here, and We're gonna use the test data set over here, score the model, and then finally evaluate the model. Okay, there you go. Now you can validate your pipeline, but you can see here there's a select compute target in settings panel. So when you go to settings panel, you need to select a cluster. So we have here existing cluster already that's 0.15 that's 15 cents an hour. You can select that. It's not really gonna use a lot of memory, but this will do. And let's validate that again. Pipeline looks good now. You can submit or publish now, and let's try to do that. So I'm gonna submit this, and I'm gonna select an experiment. We're gonna create a new, and let's name this bank demo 3 version. Okay, let's put a bank demo for Portugal. Yes, and you're gonna submit that and see how it works. It's gonna take a few minutes to submit this, and you can see the pipeline submitted. You can see the job is running, and it's working. So you're gonna see there the job is running in detail. So let's just wait for that. So let's review it back. You got the data set, you select the columns, you clean the missing data, you split the data for 70-30, and do the two-class logistic regression for your model training. And then you score the model as well. You can see you also have your training data and your test data and your score model, and you're gonna evaluate that model. So for this one, it's a two-class logistic regression. You're gonna have your confusion matrix or your AUC or your ROC curves. So let's just wait for that. And that's how you create your pipeline using Azure Machine Learning Studio. We'll go back to the next session as we go into detail what we have on the output of the model as well.